This is Canvas, the plain version. In Episode 1, we gave your work a permanent home using projects. In Episode 2, we built specialists using custom GPTs. Today, we shape what actually gets written. You ask for a paragraph, find one error, and your only move is to regenerate the entire thing. We are going to fix that. We'll walk through 3 habits for precision editing, one specific number worth remembering, and an interface shift that turns a wall of chat into a usable document. A continuous scrolling feed is built for conversation, not revision. When you are hunting for text hidden somewhere up a thread, you can't see the structure of your draft, let alone edit it cleanly. Canvas opens in a dedicated right panel, pushing the conversation left. Highlight a sentence to change, and a prompt box hovers over it. A corner menu provides one-click shortcuts. Suggest edits, adjust length, change reading level, or polish grammar. Moving the text out of the scroll and anchoring it in place is how you start treating AI output as a rough draft, ready for your direction. Habit 1. Open Canvas for anything you intend to revise. The moment a reply is a long email, a report, or a lesson plan, put it in this workspace. It usually opens on its own if the text runs past 10 lines, but you can also just tell it to open a canvas, or paste a draft and click the Open in Canvas button. Habit 2. Edit the exact part, not the whole reply. You highlight the exact part that is off, tell it what you want, and it rewrites that specific section with the rest of the document in mind. You don't have to use a prompt either. You can simply click straight into the document and type the fix yourself. By targeting specific sentences, you stop hoping the machine guesses perfectly. You take control, shaping the final piece exactly to your standards. Habit 3. Use this exact same workspace for code. The environment comes with a dedicated set of coding tools. You can run a code review, add comments, click to fix bugs, or port a script to another language, like JavaScript or Python. If you are working in Python, you can hit Run directly in the browser. The script executes, and the output appears right there in a console anchored at the bottom. Every change is saved as its own version. You can step back through your history at any point using the arrows at the top, and when you are finished, export the file as a PDF, Word document, or code file. Bringing drafting, execution, debugging, and history into one environment removes the constant friction of copying and pasting code back and forth to an external editor. Here is the number worth keeping. 1. The single paragraph you change, right in place, while the entire rest of the draft stays exactly as it was. And this tool is available to everyone. It is active on all plans, from free up to enterprise, and works smoothly across the web, Windows, and Mac applications. This connects to your entire toolkit. Projects hold your work, custom GPTs act as specialists, and Canvas shapes the output. Use them together. Flip the Canvas capability switch inside a custom GPT, and your specialist drafts right in this workspace. With a dedicated editing space attached to a specialized agent, you finally have a workflow that reliably produces finished, production-ready material. Firmly, stop regenerating a 600-word reply just to fix one line. Take hold of the exact sentence that needs work. Shape the draft in place. Never start it over. Plain Bureau explains AI tools in plain English. No jargon, no hype. This is Episode 3 of our ChatGPT series. Next up, memory. Got a feature you want the plain version of? Tell us, and it becomes an episode.